Hey guys, so today we're going to make a pinwheel. This is a really fun craft and I had a lot of fun with this one and so did my kids. So for this craft you will need a stick to put your pinwheel on. You're going to need cardstock, a ruler, some tape. I used double-sided tape. You're also going to need a pin. As you can see, there's a pin sticking through here, and the other part goes into the stick to make the pinwheel rotate on the stick. You're also going to need scissors. Another thing I tried on another one that I made is I used wire. So instead of the pin, I stuck wire through it and then wrapped the end of the wire around the stick and wrapped this part of the wire into a little circle and put a piece of tape over it so that the pinwheel would still turn. I was trying to see if it would turn better because I had a hard time making the pinwheel turn. It doesn't turn as easily as the ones you buy at the store, which it is what it is. So the first thing you're going to do is construct your 6 by 6 inch square, which I have already done here because we've covered this in previous lessons. And then you are going to bisect it again from corner to corner. And then go ahead and cut that out. That was not good. Redo. Always make sure to hold your ruler steady. All right. Alright, now it tells you to go ahead and prick a hole into the center with a pen. So right in the center of this, you're going to prick a hole. Now it says to fit a 1-inch square of gummed, I don't know how to say that word, over the center with the corners touching the diagonals. So let's see, 1 inch. I'm gonna measure out 1 inch of this double-sided sticky stuff. I actually don't know what this is called, but I got it at Walmart. So in the United States, Walmart, I'm sure Target has it. I think those stores are only in the USA though, so good luck. And then you're going to stick it over here with the edges, the points, touching your lines. And I just leave this down until I need to pull this off. Alright, now it says cut on your lines to the square in the center. So you don't want to cut through the square, but just cut right up to it. Crafts are my favorite part of homeschooling. Can you tell? I love them more than my kids. Okay. Alright. Now you're going to fold every other one. Triangle. So fold this one in. Turn. You're going to skip this one. Fold this one in. Turn. Fold this one in. Turn. And fold the last one in. I've lost my pin. Here it is. Alright, now stick a pin through all the corners in the center and into a stick that each child should bring to class. This part was kind of hard. There you go. Stick it through into the center there. And I tried to like wiggle it around a bit to make it turn. See, if you hold the pin, it turns really well. Actually, this one should turn this way. But I had a hard time getting it to turn when I stuck it with my other stick to the stick. And you're just gonna poke it into the stick. Mine always gets a little wacky, but now it should turn. This one was pretty hard. It was hard to make it stick into the stick. Sometimes I like to do it like that, but you poke the stick like down into the wood like that. It doesn't say exactly how you're supposed to do it. Hey, that spins really well. Kind of lopsided though. Now your pinwheel is done. What a fun craft.